What's up, you guys? Today wow, you guys are really close to me. Hold up. So guys, today we're going on a little adventure. We are going to get my lips done today. It is not sponsored. I told them I didn't want them to sponsor it. They could have, but I said no. I honestly wasn't sure if I was going to be posting this, and not that I was gonna hide it from you guys or anything. It's just that I didn't know if I wanted to like put it out there because I want people to think that I was promoting it and like telling you guys that it's like the thing to do. It's just my personal preference. I think that on me it would be like suitable for me, because if you guys can see, I don't have any lipstick on right now. I'm currently driving, so I have a 35-minute drive all the way over there. But so a little up close and personal. This is my before, so that's my projection from the side. No projection, but yeah, that's what I look like at the moment. Honestly, I really hope that was not at me, girl. I've always just thought that full lips were really pretty, and I knew that I couldn't do any type of exercise to get fuller lips. I couldn't do like any type of anything natural remedy. There's no natural remedy that you could do to like get your lips enhanced or anything like that. I don't like when people inject and then they make it like ducky. So I did like do my research, and I've been doing my research for years because you guys know that the Kylie Jenner lip trend has been going on for a long time, and then that's when people started to get curious. I finally found someone that's like close-ish to me, and they're not all the way in freaking Canada. All the amazing ones are like all the way like in Manchester, Australia, Canada, and I'm just like, well, I'm not gonna book a flight just to go get that done.
South 295 South.
Oh my god. Holy shoot, that scared the duck out of me. There's like a whole truck that was about to run me over. I did have like kind of 3 places that I was kind of on edge. One of them wasn't the greatest, but then I kind of came down to 2 other people. But I feel like these 2 are very similar. I am just like very excited. I'm just feeling a little nervous because I've never gotten injections on my face before. So I'm actually going to pick up my best friend, Aileen. You guys know that she's been my best friend. If you guys have been watching for a long time, she's been my best friend for nearly 10 years. Isn't that crazy? I've never had a friend for that long. I'll let you guys know how it feels after. So let's go pick up Allie and let's do this. Hello. Yay, we did it. So don't mind the fact that I can barely move my my mouth right now. It's because I'm swollen. But yeah, she had to remove a lot of my makeup around my mouth, and let's ignore that. So right now it kind of looks like really swollen, but it should be going down in like a week, and I should be like getting some bruising. But I will update you guys like throughout the days, and then I will update you guys in the next day and the next day and the next day, and show you guys my progress. So it is currently 9 right now, so that means that it has already been I'm not good with math. It's been 8 hours. So this is what I'm looking like. I'm just gonna relax my face. from the side. I just wanted to show you guys, by the way, this is not a dirty shirt. This is just like a shirt that I used to dye my hair like a long time ago. Please excuse my dustiness right now. It's been a long day. I've had my makeup on since like 9 in the morning, so let's just ignore. It's already been like 8 hours and I am going to be swelling for like a week, and then I'm going to kind of like see the swelling to go down, but I will keep you guys updated in future videos. But this is what it looks like. I really do like how from the side it does have like a nice little pout, so it's kind of like, and right now this is not the complete size, it's just like I said, it's going to keep swelling, but it does, I think it looks kind of cute when it's swollen like this. But of course I don't want it to be like this all the time. But she told me that she does recommend me go one more syringe up, so to do 2 milliliters. I believe that's the right measurement. That is the equivalent to 2. So next time she said that she wants me to go up and do Voluma, I believe it was called, instead of Juvederm Ultra. She said that she does want to put Voluma since it is going to kind of help shape my lips, because right now they are like really tight and the skin's really tight. It's kind of hard for it to shape my lips how I want them to be, because my desired lip shape is to look like Billie Eilish's, and I'm not only wanting that just because I'm like a big time fan, but I genuinely think that she has beautiful lips. She has perfect freaking lips. Also, you guys can see that she did leave like a little keyhole, and then she also did leave like this little indent right here. I think it's cute, but I think I honestly rather it like be more filled, so it's just like all the way filled down. It's like a cute little pout. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna do that next time. I'm gonna ask her to just fill that. All right, so that is it for today's vlog. I'm actually like very happy overall with it, because she was such a kind, sweet soul. So if you guys are interested in going to Aileen, definitely go and do that. I will leave her information down below. Tell her that I sent you. So this wasn't sponsored. I just wanted to kind of like educate you guys on like my process, and like if you guys were thinking about doing it, you guys could see my results and how I healed. Good night. I'm tired. Sweet dreams. What's up, you guys? Today is already the second day. So yesterday I didn't show you guys what my lips look like, just because they looked the exact same since I showed you guys at night. They were just a little bit more swollen, so I was scared when I woke up in the morning, because I was like, girl. I did put lip gloss and lipstick over my lips right now, and I feel like I can't really talk right now because like I'm still getting used to like all the product in my lips. But this is what they look like right now. Of course, they're still swollen. This is from the side, and the front, and the side again. But next thing to do is show my mom. I'm kind of scared to show her. I mean, I've always hinted to her that I've always wanted to do this for like quite some time, but I'm scared. Let's just go ahead and see what my Mexican mother has to say about this. I kind of have a feeling that she's gonna throw the chancla at me through the phone, so wish me luck. Guys, this is the moment of truth right now. I'm about to tell my mom. I'm nervous.
What's up?
I need to show you something.
What? What?
You're gonna kick my butt.
Why?
Look at my lips. Don't yell at me, the child's here.
What child?
This one.
Let me see, get up close. They look so ugly.
You're mean.
Why did you get that done?
Because I wanted it.
Why?
Do you think that they're ugly?
No. You didn't get like too much.
Just wanted to show you before you beat my butt. And I got your reaction on video. So that was her reaction. I wasn't really expecting her to take it so well. Well, maybe I think it's because she always knew that I wanted to do this for a minute already. But I am going to zoom in and show you guys what it looks like. Sorry, my chin makeup is off right now. But you can see that I do have bruising right here, and then here it does look like a little bit out of the lines. But that's simply because I am swollen, so it is going to go down like 50%. And then there is some bruising right there. But you guys can pretty much see that this is not going to be the final form. Right now, it's just swollen. So I'm just glad that my mom didn't get too upset. She said that she couldn't really tell a difference. It just looks like my bottom lip is bigger. So So at first she said that they're ugly, but she was kidding because she just was kind of upset that I did get them done. But then after she was like, just come closer, I can't even see it. So I went closer like you guys saw. So when I finally got closer, she was like, I couldn't even tell when you first called me. It just looks like you overlined your lip. I really didn't even overline today. It was just I followed the line of where it got filled and they just look very plump and juicy. But it's just nice because I don't even have to overline like I would before I would like literally make a whole new lip because I had no upper lip, no bottom lip, very thin. No need for any rude comments, guys, because I know that some of you this is not going to be your cup of tea. I just wanted to show you guys this because I wanted to be completely transparent with what I do, and also wanted to give you guys a little bit more of an informational video because I mean I would appreciate one of my favorite YouTubers to show how their process was, and just so I know how it would go for me, if you guys know what I'm saying. So thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.